Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another Korea haul, and this is a Korea fashion haul, and this haul is massive. I feel like I should rush because I'm scared this video is going to be crazy long. There were just like so many cute sweaters, and I love sweaters, that I picked up a whole bunch of like random sweaters. And the thing about me is I feel like every single time I travel to Japan or Korea, I low-key build a whole new wardrobe. And I think the first item that I want to share with you guys, probably the first one that I actually bought when I was in Korea, is this gorgeous pastel green knit zip up sweater. And it's just like so beautiful. It's like a little jacket because there's a zip and it's got a collared neck. And I just like, oh, so cute. Of course, I'll insert clips of me trying on all these items for you guys. But how adorable is this piece? I love like the cable knit design, so I also picked up this one. I just really liked this neckline. It's kind of like a square neckline, and then it's got the kind of like puffy sleeves. It's not that puffy, but it's still like a cute shape, which I really like, and it kind of tapers in a little bit at the bottom. You can see the rib detailing on the bottom and also on the sleeves, which kind of gives it like a really cute puffy shape that I love. I also got this oversized knit sweater. I don't really like how this looks. It's a bit plain from the front, but I just liked how like baggy and oversized, and it kind of just like drapes and sits on top of you, which I feel like would actually be like a really nice pajama. It is see-through though, and then there's like these really cute like kind of tie details at the back, so it's got like these little bows that you can tie. So I feel like I kind of liked it for the back, but it does look really simple from the front, which I don't really like. But I just like how baggy and slouchy and like comfortable and cozy it kind of looks. So I also picked up this sweater. I also got this really cute knit kind of like cardigan sweater. It's pretty simple. It's just got like a little, it's got some little button details at the front, and once again I love this like open neckline kind of vibe, and then it's just got like a straight sleeve. It's kind of like a bit more squarey than I would like, but it was still really cute. The thing about Korea is that you can't really try on like sweaters and tops just because they don't want people getting makeup and stuff on them. So you kind of have to wing it with the top, but luckily most of the items that I picked up I actually do like how they look on. I did also pick up this gorgeous red sweater. It's like a cardigan sweater, a cute little button up moment down the middle, and once again love the neckline. Just like a gorgeous square neck, ribbed detailing at the end of the sleeve and also at the bottom. I definitely feel like this piece you can dress up or down, which is perfect. This is by far my favorite sweater of all times. It is the most perfect sweater that I have ever found, and I was really in my like shoujo girl cutesy kind of vibe, and this sweater is like everything to me. It's literally perfect. It's this gorgeous pale pink knit kind of cardigan. There's like a little tie detailing at the front here, but it's literally my favorite sweater of all times. It's just so perfect, and even the sleeves are like a big puffy moment, and there's like little kind of like detailing on the front. It's just so perfect. Cute open front, perfect for just like throwing on top of an outfit or a dress. Literally so cute. My favorite piece, one of my favorite pieces this whole trip. Absolutely love. I also bought this like kind of cute oversized cardigan. I just thought it would be like a cute cozy kind of vibe just to throw on top, and it's like thick knit, so it's like soft and warm, and it's like a gorgeous cream color as well. So I love this. I did also pick up some tighter kind of knits, like a few sporty kind of vibes, but I got this really cute zip up sweater, and there's like a zip down the middle, so you can kind of wear it how you want, but I think that they like wear this top bit kind of as a collar, so you can kind of wear it like this, or you can have it down and it's like a cute little collar moment. I just think it's like a really cool jacket knit that's giving fashionable sporty vibes, so I picked this white one up. And then I also found this one in this blue color, and I thought it was like really cool. It has a hood. It's ribbed the whole way. It also has a zip down the middle, and then it has like a drawstring kind of detailing at the ends. And I just thought it was like really cool sporty vibes, and I play a lot of sports, so thought that was kind of cool. I did also pick up small cute knits. I got this little, I don't even know what it's called, but it's like a cropped kind of like knit top with these pretty buttons down the middle. and it's got the really cute scallop trim around all the edges, so the top, the bottom, and also on the sleeves is super cropped, so you get like a little bit of under boob with this, so I always have to wear something under when I wear this piece. But I just thought it was like a really cute layering kind of piece. I did also pick up this gorgeous, like, I don't know, it was just like soft and pretty and like delicate, but it's this gorgeous like lace knit kind of top. It's a wrap moment, so it wraps around, and I just love the sleeve. I love anything that has like a flared sleeve like this, and it's got that gorgeous scallop trim. It's ribbed as well. I don't know, I just loved all the details of this top. The lace kind of front, I just thought it was super pretty, so I had to pick this piece up as well. I did also pick up like a whole bunch of cute tops. I'll start with long sleeves. So I got this really cute, like I told you, I was kind of in my shoujo girl era, so I was picking out pieces that kind of reminded me of like cute old school shoujo anime girly vibes. But this piece was really cute. It's just like this beautiful pastel blue. It actually has like a top inside, so it has the layering vibe. It looks like you're wearing a halter top underneath, and then there's this really cute blue long sleeve with this bow detail at the front. The layering top has like elastic ruffle detail with the tied neck, and I just thought it was like really cute vibes, so I picked that one up. I did also pick up this like set. This one's like a little more like cooler and edgy, but it's this like little cropped top, and it's got like a buckle detail at the bottom, and then it comes with this little halter neck. I just thought it was like really cute, really cool kind of style. But I did also pick up some really cute like little tops. I actually got these two tops from H&M. I just really liked the neckline on this top. It had like a really cool kind of like, I don't really know what kind of style it is, but it's like a square neckline. It was just a little bit too simple for me, so I actually tied some little bows around the sleeves just to elevate it and make it a little bit more cutesy. So I picked up this. I just thought it was a really cute white basic, and I do tend to wear like a lot of white tops underneath like cute sweaters, so I thought that was perfect. And then I also got this little cute camisole, I think these are called, I'm not too sure, and I just liked the ruffly sleeves, and then it has a little bow in the middle. Super cute. Also thought this would be so perfect for like layering and like putting underneath some of my sweaters, just because it's like a really cute pop of detail to a fit. So I really liked that. I also picked up this super cute little sheer like flower detailed top. I feel like it's just like perfect for layering, or even just to wear. The length is like perfect because you can wear it as a dress or a top, and like dresses over pants are kind of in right now, and I feel like this would be so perfect for that type of style. But I just think it's so cute. This gorgeous sheer fabric with this tie detailing down the middle. I just think it's the cutest little top dress ever, so I had to pick her up. I love all my like shoujo girly kind of vibed pieces that I picked up. So those are all the kind of tops. I guess we should move on to like dresses. So I actually picked up this dress. It's like this gorgeous minty green. It has like really cute fairy vibes, but I don't know if it suits me or if it looks good on my body type. I'm not too sure because it is a little tight, and it actually comes with like these little shorts that you can wear underneath as well. It is really cute, and it does give like very fairy core vibes, but I just like don't really know if it suits me or if this style looks nice on me. So I'm not too sure, but I did pick up another dress. I only got two, and this one I'm absolutely in love with, but it's just like a simple cute white dress, but it's got that like puffy, like I don't know what it's called, but it's like a puffy skirt. I feel like they're kind of coming into fashion, but I've always wanted a dress like this, but I've never found one that I feel like suits me or looks nice, and I just love it. I feel like I like how simple this is because it's so perfect for layering and just like adding things on top of. I feel like it's the perfect base, and it actually came with this little cardigan that I'm wearing now, which I love this cardigan. It's such a cute little like ruffle oversized kind of vibe, and look how adorable these sleeves are. So cute. But this dress came with this cardigan, and I love it. I feel like once I bought it, I literally kept wearing it and just like wearing cute different sweaters with it. Literally love how it looked. So cute. Super happy with that one. I mean, those were the two dresses that I got, but I did pick up a whole bunch of skirts. I've really been into long skirts recently. I just think they're like so easy to wear, and they're comfortable as well. And I picked up this gorgeous green color. I just liked how flowy and like pretty these skirts were, so I picked them up in 3 colors. I got it in a green, a cream color, and a black. just because I feel like black is a staple piece and I never know when I'm gonna feel like wearing a black skirt, so I had to pick it up in black as well. And honestly, like I picked the cream up first because I would probably definitely wear this color the most, but then my friend got this color and she kept wearing it and it just looked so cute. I had to pick it up as well. So I have these three and they're just like so good quality. And the issue that I had with some of the skirts I bought the last time I was in Korea was that they were sheer, and I just like that this is like one solid color. I feel like it's just so wearable. It would look good with like pretty much anything. So I think they're just like really great basics, so I had to pick them up in 3 different colors. I did also pick up this long skirt as well. This skirt is so pretty. It's pleated. Sometimes I don't know how I feel about long pleated skirts, just because I feel like they're a bit like too sophisticated for my style, but this one is just like so pretty. It has this sheer layer and it's got like this gorgeous cute pearl and bow detailing on the sheer layer, which I think is so beautiful. And also it's actually reversible, so if you flip it inside out, it is like this metallic pleat detail, and then underneath there's like a cute sheer layer that peeps out from the bottom. How perfect. So it's literally like you can wear it 2 different ways depending on how you feel like styling it. I think it's so perfect. Literally love. I didn't even realize it was reversible until my friend tried it on and then she told me it was. But those are kind of all the long skirts that I picked up. I got a few short skirts. I feel like it's so hard for me to find short skirts that I like, but I picked up this really cute black pleated skirt. This one was like, surprisingly, I really liked how this looked, because sometimes I don't like when the waistband is really long. It has this really cute bow detail on the side and it's got like smaller pleats than a normal pleated skirt. I just thought it was really cute. And then I bought this one as well, another black pleated skirt, and it has a little bow in the middle. This one's got bigger pleats and then this gorgeous lace detail at the bottom. 2 very different vibes, but I just thought they were super cute, so I picked up those. I feel like I'm really picky with my pleated skirts because there's certain designs that just don't suit me. So there was like, I really want a white and a beige, but I haven't been able to find any that suit me, so had to just stick with black again this time. But those are kind of all the skirts that I got, so let's kind of go into pants. I only picked up 2 pants and they're kind of like similar vibes. So I bought this like wide leg baggy cream pants with a drawstring waistband. It's just like really cute slouchy casual vibes. Really like that piece. And then I bought this one, which is kind of like also kind of casual vibes, but it's got more pleats in it. So it's got like really cute like draped casual cozy aesthetic, which is what I like in these types of pants because they're just so comfortable and they look so nice. So I got this in a beige as well. The other one's kind of like a lighter cream and this one's kind of more of like a beige. So I think the last kind of pieces that I have are jackets. I picked up these 2 jackets and this one is probably one of my favorite jackets as well, up there with my pink sweater. I love this color. It's just like this gorgeous blue like fluffy jacket and it's got these gorgeous pearl details down the middle and of course the cute like puffy sleeves. This one doesn't have a collar, so it's just like a collarless jacket. Super perfect. Love. I did also pick up this one, which is kind of more of like a nice fancy going out coat jacket, but also once again kind of similar to the blue one where it doesn't have a collar. This one's like a lot more sophisticated, I would say. The other one's a little bit more cuter. This one's a lot more like elegant and sophisticated. The lines are sharper, so it's got like a straight sleeve. It's a little bit more boxy, and then it has the gorgeous pearl details down the middle and then a few pockets on the side as well. It's so cute. I love. So that's kind of my 2 jackets, and I also picked up 2 coats. So they're both like, this was kind of the only coat that I found that I really liked. So I ended up picking up one in this gorgeous soft beige cream color, and this one's like a short coat, but I honestly fell in love with the sleeves. I just really liked how round and soft the sleeves felt. But it's this gorgeous beige color. I wore it a lot, so I actually ripped the lining, so let's ignore that. And also when I was like washing it, one of the buttons fell off. I have it on my drawer, so I have to re-sew that button on. This coat went through it because I only bought 1 jacket with me, so I had to find like cute coats to buy or wear while I was there. So I wore this one a lot. Literally love. I love like shorter coats sometimes because I feel like if the shape is cute enough, you can kind of wear them like a dress. super adorable, so I picked that one up. And then I also picked it up in a longer version because I could not decide, and I really liked both of them, and I feel like it's super hard for me to find coats that I liked, so I picked it up in like a longer style. And then this one's like a really like cool tone gray taupey kind of color, so the other one's like warmer and this one's cooler. This one has also the same sleeves, which is why I like these coats to begin with. And yeah, longer, same buttons. I actually don't even really like this colored buttons, so I might just like chop them off and change up the buttons. I'm not too sure yet. I don't really like the color of these buttons with this coat, so even like maybe instead of like re-sewing that back on, I might just like chop off the buttons and sew different buttons on. I'll see how I feel. But those were the two coats that I picked up while I was in Korea. And lastly, I just have like a few scarves. Oh my gosh, it was so hard to decide between these two scarves. I did not know which one to get, so I ended up getting both. But I got this gorgeous like purple kind of checkered fluffy scarf. It's got like blue, white, purple. It's cool toned, I would say. And then I couldn't decide because I was really feeling purple this whole trip. Like, I don't know why. Purple was just like the color that I was gravitating towards, and this was just like such a warm, pretty purple. I've never seen anything in this color, and I just thought it was too pretty to pass up on. So I also picked this one up, and this one is just like a really gorgeous checkered green, brown, beige, orange. It's got like an orange stripe in it as well, but I just thought it was like such a pretty color pattern to pass up on. So yeah, these are kind of all the pieces that I picked up when I was in Korea. I cannot wait to incorporate all these items into my wardrobe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!